A wonderful natural way to get rid of any unwanted hair. First, get a ripe banana. Here we need the peels. Watch how to prepare the banana peels before we jump to the second ingredient. This is a discovery you've probably never thought about. I'm going to use the paste we're making here to remove my hair, so you can see for yourself just how amazing it really is. The second ingredient you will need is a round potato. Some people call it an Irish potato. Let's watch how to prepare the ingredient from the potato. Now add into mixing bowl about 1 teaspoon of the first ingredient. I mean the banana peels paste you made. Then add 1 tablespoon of potato juice. And finally, you will need to get an ingredient from your kitchen, a baking powder. Remember not to confuse with baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and stir to fully mix all the ingredients. If the paste you have made looks thicker, add a little amount of water to make it lighter. As you see, I have added a tablespoon of water. Stir again until you see a uniform paste. Apply the paste to the hair you want to remove. I will apply it to a small sample patch on my leg so you can see how this paste works. You can use it on unwanted hair anywhere on the body. After applying, leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes before wiping it away with a tissue or damp cloth. If it starts to dry before the 5 to 7 minutes are up, spray a little water on it to keep it moisturized. Now comes the magical part. See, I'm simply wiping away the paste with a tissue, and the hair comes off with it. No pain at all. I noticed that the paste had started to dry, so I poured a little water to make it easier to wipe off and leave my skin clean. What do you think about this discovery? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to subscribe to our EasyTips channel for more helpful tips and amazing discoveries.